Z score is equal to x minus mu divided by sigma. Sigma is nothing but my standard deviation. Mu is nothing but my mean, and x is my variable where I can have to find out the probability of this particular given function. What is normal distribution basically actually called as a, कैसे दिखता है normal distribution? How actually normal distribution can be look like?
Ma'am, the graph.
The graph. What is the
It's
shape
bell
of that?
shaped. Bell shaped.
It bell shaped. Okay, bell shaped. And basically, what it should be the limit for that particular graph is?
Limit.
This is my z.
Mean and standard deviation, ma'am.
This is my no. This is my z. This is my minus infinity to positive infinity. Okay. This is what my z is equal to 0. Then whatever value I will get, I will be plotting here according to that way. So अगर मुझे probability between the value minus randomly I'm taking 1.76 less than z less than 1 or point we can say 25. Okay? So my plotting will be starting with 0. यहाँ पे मेरे positive number होंगे 1, 2 and 3. While here we can having -1, -2 and in that between there's -76 means यहाँ पे वो area आएगा and according to that we can find out the value for this probability for the whatever the data set we are giving. So that will be, so this bell shape is minus infinity to plus infinity. Sometimes it may be comes this side also और ये सब खाली हो जाता है. Sometimes it may become this side also. So this is what the basically a normal distribution will be. Z is equal to, and my value will be Z score will be into bracket x minus mu divided by my sigma. Okay, for my variable the function will be f of x is equal to, we can have is equal to 1 upon square root of 2 pi minus sigma raised to e raised to minus 1.2 divided by, we can call this, I can write directly z because ये z term x minus mu वही equation वहाँ पे होता है. So this way we can having your basically your normal distribution. Once normal distribution you will know, you will be having a particularly multivariate normal distribution and bivariate normal distribution. Okay, now in multivariate normal distribution we can having basically to be make interference about the population, जो population है और वहाँ से हम we can take the random variables and through that random variables we can finding out the conclusion about, like yesterday I have shown you the example about the GMAT examination. In that there are the many people who are giving the GMAT exam, but from that we can predict that this is the mean, this is the particular the data, and we have to find out how many people are going to be scored about the 500. The same way whenever we have to predict something at that time, this kind of things are very much important. Like you can know the real stock market prediction. Now everyone I don't know everyone is familiar, but जो stock market चलता है तो that there are the probability जो CNBC या जो stock के channel रहते हैं उसमें they were saying that, और वो आपको गाइड किस तरह पे करते हैं कि नहीं बाबा ये स्टॉक मेजरली ऊपर जा सकता है. तो these are things also will be possible with the help of this previously known data, and that using previously known data, we can predict your future, or we can predict whatever you are going to be happen. Like in weather prediction also the same thing, that is also called as a time series. Basically in data science language, this kind of example are called as a time series example. Means we can predict using the previous data, we can predict whatever the predictable value. And that's why the data science, senior data scientists, these fields are running in a nowadays, and they are offering too much of salary because of this. Because आपको अगर आपका business improve करना है, तो using whatever the statistical data we can having, and we can take that data, and perfect prediction should be example. Even your exit polls are also the going to be example of this, where we are going to be predict which party is going to be win the election in which area, which MLA is going to be win the election, how many fight, how many votes he will be get approximately data. So that basically prediction. Sometimes it may be wrong. I don't say it should be the every time correct, but when you are taking the previous data, और यू कैन प्रेडिक्ट समथिंग लाइक अगर किसी बंदे को कंसिस्टेंटली 100 मार्क्स मिल रहे हैं, तो वी कैन से दैट दिस पर्सन विल बी गेट एडमिशन टू दिस पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रीम, ही इज दैट मच कैपेबल अबाउट दिस. So that what the prediction is all about, and for that purpose we should be require this kind of a normalization. That's why the statistic is the main base. So to make the interference, to make the population, and whenever we are having large and large data, ऐसा नहीं कि हमारे पास छोटा data है हम छोटा data के लिए करें. When we are going to the, you are going to be understand, you are having the large vast data, so you can deal with that particular vast data. Okay, so I will show you one example also about the project about data science. तो उसमें कैसे होता है, इट्स अ ऑफन गुड पॉपुलेशन मॉडल, इट इज रीजनेबली गुड अप्रोक्सीमेशन many phenomena. मतलब ये approximately we can reasonable things it should be predicted using this particularly multivariate or normal distribution. Due to central limit theorem, there are the sum and averages basically. Now sampling distribution of test statics are often approximately with the multivariate as well as univariate normal distribution due to your particularly central limit theorem basically. Due to this central importance, we need to thoroughly understand, know the properties basically. Now this is what the basically univariate multivariate distribution that I have just shown you, that limit will be minus infinity x to the positive infinity. Now this is f of x raised to 2 pi sigma square exponential raised to minus 2 x minus mu divided by sigma bracket square into curly bracket close. The parameter are completely characterized. Everyone knows that is mu is equal to expectation बोलते हैं उसको e of x, that is the mean, and sigma square is equal to variance, that is the x. So that variance is very much important. Now one second, this variance अगर mean 0 और आपका ये भी 0 आ गया, then you should know your data prediction is too much accurate. तो दैट्स वाई द मेन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज आपका वेरिएंस, और अगर जितना वेरिएंस बड़ा होगा उतना आपका डेटा थोड़ा बहुत मिसमैच होगा और प्रेडिक्शन भी उसमें ये होगा. जितना वेरिएंस कम रहेगा, that will be very much easy and that will be accurate prediction about your data. So that's whole thing will be depends on this variance, and this may also called as a your expectation. Okay. Now this is what the introduction to multivariate normal distribution. Basically we can having the area, जो मैंने आपको area दिखाया था standard normal distribution. This is what just mu is between positive and negative sigma, that is 68%. Means this is what the value just I have shown you. This is what 0, -2, -4, -5. This is what my probability density function basically PDF, and this is what 2, 4, 6. These are my positive sides about your value of x. When we are going to be plotting, अगर मेरा ये सब कुछ ऐसे 0 पे ही आ गया, then it will be accurately predicted. But sometimes it may be not, so that will be the given, it is the percentage. जो मैंने आपको कल एक डायग्राम दिखाई थी, value for z greater than z less than z, so that will be basically applies over the standard normal distribution n is equal to 0 to 1 basically. Now whenever we can having generalized multivariate distribution, this is what the basically a generalized multivariate distribution. We can having a generalization p value is always greater than 1 basically. So we can having x is equal to p into 1 and mu is equal to p into u. So summation basically we can having called is at a p into 1, मतलब जो मैट्रिक्स होता है. Now यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे, multivariate normal distribution है, so we can having the matrix value, because we are having multiple variants, multi values. So we have to find out the that's sums as well as your mean, and then multiple values we can plot into that particular graph. So for that, a square distance between x and mu is just the standard deviation. So that's why we have to having sigma 1 1, sigma 1 2. So this way we can be do the your in multivariate normal distribution. So this is what basically we can use the terminologies x minus mu dash basically, and x मतलब जो square है उसको divide किया गया है x minus mu dash minus 1, मतलब this terminology they can take it to that, and that it should be minus 1, जो अगर नीचे से ऊपर लेते हैं तो that will be everyone knows, यहाँ से 1/6 अगर मुझे ऊपर लेना है तो it should be denoted -1. Okay, so this is the same terminology, mathematics के rules के हिसाब से है. This is the scalar reduced spots to top p is equal to 1. It is the squared statistical distance x to mu, basically -1 exists, and then basically they are taking the your integration limits from x1 to xp, means whatever the element I have, multiple variable, I have to find out the probability, that is my x will be is equal to x1 dash 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 x2 and xp. So that's why this limit is also basically we can call it as from x1 to that xp exponential, the same equation, and from that shorten the equation we can consider it as a equal to a 2 pi raised to p pi, means whatever the p value regarding multivariate and summation raised to 1/2. Okay, so ये सब mathematical terminologies है, and you can easily know the only the formulas we are going to be putting, and we are having dividing by 2 raised to pi summation modulus 1/2. So that proper density function will be multivariate normal distribution का proper density function. This will be the proper density function. Okay, so this way we can define your multivariate normal distribution. Okay, और ये equation आप लोग derive भी कर सकते हो. Basically there are the steps given here कि they were taking the bivariate. Now bivariate means two values, we can having the x1 x2, or you can, some books are referring xy and x and y values. Okay, so this what we can having the x1 and x2 expectation, x1 and x2, and mu is mu1 and mu2, means you can call this expectation or you can call this mu1 and mu2, and from that we can form that summation matrix is basically we can call as a sigma 1 1, sigma means standard deviation, and from that we can multiplying and we can putting that value into this particular formula, and we can get this value. This is basically just replacing and putting value, and substitution is just nothing but, so you can easily do that basically. So but the main focus is about the formula about here, basically we can having the multivariate normal distribution density function, and through this function we can finding out the how the multiple values and how the basically multiple variables if we have, then we can predict the probability basically. Now bivariate normal independent value, dependent value. So this is what the basically the picture about it. Okay, I have to find out this. Basically there is a tools we have, and through that particular tools you can directly calculate the what we can graphical representation. Now this is what my normal multivariate normal distribution. It should be the 3D shape basically, x, y and z axis. Now why this basically? Because we are having a multiple values as well as we are having large population kind of a data, and we have to predict basically the thing. ऐसा नहीं कि हमारा आंसर 1 या 2 वर्ड्स में आ जाएगा. We have to predict the certain things. Okay, अगर ये predict होता है तो वो क्या होने वाला है. Like suppose house price prediction का आप ले लो. अगर मुझे घर खरीदना है. Now recently just one consideration, that is the Kharghar or center of your Mumbai, Airoli as well as Powai. The rates are according to your area and rates are according to the location of your particular like traveling location. Now in Mumbai basically the railway station as well as your bus station, according to that your rate are varying. So that's why you have to collect the large data. मतलब अगर मुझे एक area का भी predict करना है, then I have to collect the large amount of data, then I have to survey that data, then I have to predict certain house price prediction with using various machine learning algorithm. Okay, and that for prediction we are using that machine learning algorithm, and that we are going to be learn in next coming sessions, that is k clustering, factor analysis. But this all the things where we are having the large amount of data, and for that we are using this multivariate normal distribution. Okay, so this is what the basically 3D shape has been explained, and from that they were just represent what the basically x-axis, y-axis, mu is equal to 0 है, sigma is equal to 1 है, and r is equal to 0.0 है. Means this is what the basically a perfectly normally distribution बोल सकते हैं हम, जबकि आपका सब कुछ 0 एंड 1 प्रोबेबिलिटी आता है, तो दैट विल बी द परफेक्ट. जब आपको ओवरहेड आता है, that will be we can having your overhead, then how it will be look like. So that the depends on, देखो यहाँ पे अगर हमारा r का वैल्यू चेंज हो गया, then in the curves has been changed, but your sigma and mu's have don't change, so that random variable values will be changed. Then how the particular, this is what the 2D shapes है यहाँ वर्क इसका, and this is what the 3D look like. You don't say that कि मैम ऐसा क्यों है. So this is what the we can cut out the that particular shape, and it should be in x and y axis. So this is what the 3D look like your graph, because sometimes you want to tell the particular story in data analysis to convince the particular management or to convince the people and to predict something. At that time you should be representing this diagram, and you should explain that it should be the 3D shape and this should be the 2D shape. Okay, so this is what the
मैम
basically just. हाँ बोलो.
मैम हम ये पाइथन के अंदर भी रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं ना ऐसे ग्राफ्स?
यस यस यस, पाइथन के अंदर ही करना है हमें. ये जस्ट आपको बिहाइंड द लॉजिक अगर किसी ने पूछा तो आपको पता होना चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाई दिस टेलिंग यू. आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. अगेन आई विल शो यू, आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू दैट जुपिटर नोटबुक डायग्राम. मैं आपको बताती हूँ. Start by Jupyter. So this will be basically the thing in multivariate distribution. So that's why we have to compare, we have to predict certain things, and for that we have to what we can say, multivariate normal distribution is now going to be used in nowadays. Okay, now I have already shown you, and basically this all things, मतलब जो हम statistically बात कर रहे हैं, जो टेस्ट भी है, hypothesis testing, ANOVA, मल्टीवेरिएट एनालिसिस, एनोवा टेस्ट भी आता है, एनोवा, टी एनोवा, ये जो सारे टेस्टिंग्स है जो आपको सिलेबस में है बेसिकली, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू बी implement using your basically the python things. मतलब आपको ऐसा नहीं है कि you don't have that कि आपको पेन पेंसिल लिखना है और आपको मैथमेटिकली सॉल्व करना है. You just write the one programming code in python and then you can get the output for that basically. Okay, so जैसे मैंने आपको एक फाइल दिखाई थी, now this is what the example basically. हाँ, one more. I will show you basically. Wait. हाँ, जब आप गूगल पे जाओगे, then you can having the iris data set CSV file. ऐसा, this is what the generally use the file for iris data sets. So हम iris के data sets का फाइल भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे मिल रहा है कि नहीं मुझे देखना पड़ेगा, बट आई हैव टू. एंड एवरीवन जस्ट क्रिएट द अकाउंट इन गिटहब. तो गिटहब के बारे में किसको पता है, कितने लोगों को पता है? How many people knows about GitHub?
Heard about it, ma'am.
Huh?
Heard about it, ma'am.
Who Prathamesh has raised hand. Prathamesh knows many people. Those who are knowing, just raise your hand. Okay, बहुत सारे लोगों को पता है. नहीं, 4-5 लोग. अंशल दिख रहा है, रोहन, रैना, विगदात is also knowing, अविराज. Okay, प्रथमेश. बाकी लोगों को पता नहीं है. छुबी है, प्रज्ञात, ओके, साक्षी. हो रहे रेस हो रहे हैं। आदर्श, अविनाश, सुजय मिश्रा, ओके। मतलब many people has knows the about GitHub, और आपके अकाउंट्स भी होंगे बेसिकली, तो वहाँ पे आप अपलोड करो बेसिकली, थ्रू दैट यू कैन इजीली डाउनलोड दिस आइरिस फाइल बेसिकली। ओके, this is what actually my CSV file looks like. It is visible, wait, I am not sure. दिस इज व्हाट जो आपको मैं डायरेक्टली नेट से डाउनलोड कर रही हूँ, दैट बेसिकली माय सेपल लेंथ, सेपल विड्थ, petal length and petal width, and this is the variety of that particular plant is Centosa, versicolor and virginica. These are the three plant species, and there are the total, I thought 150 records are already there, means यहाँ पे 150 है ऊपर, due to this particular row it should be the 150. This is what the data here, no missing value, no null value is there. So whenever some data is having missing value, some what we can say own value, at that time you should fill this value. Okay, so that way, same way I will show you one more data file for Titanic data. Okay, Titanic data sets, or you can go to Kaggle also and you can download the Titanic data also. दिस इज व्हाट द वन टाइटैनिक प्रेडिक्शन, जो टाइटैनिक जहाज डूबा था उसका एक डेटा अवेलेबल है और उसका कंपटीशन था. So in that data you see how many people's age are missing, how many people's are values are going to be missed. Then there are the people who don't know or not mention their age. Sometimes it should be the zero. So how you are going to be predict? ऐसा नहीं कि every time you should drop the column, you should drop that particular thing. So हम ये ऐसे अगर हमने age drop कर दिया, so we cannot predict how many males, females, and how many males and females survived, how many males and females are registered, how many passengers are for P class for survived, and what is the age approximately. So this is what the things where we can having certain missing values. इवन एम्बार्क जो है ये फील्ड है, अभी यहाँ पे देखो ये जो केबिन का फील्ड है इसमें तो कितने सारे, बट केबिन इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड कि कौन कैन से केबिन में बैठा था. सो वी कैन ड्रॉप दिस कॉलम इजीली. सो दिस वे यू कैन थिंक अबाउट योर एनालिटिक स्किल्स कि हमें कौन सा कॉलम रखना है और कौन सा कॉलम, विच कॉलम वी आर गोइंग टू बी for required and which we are not required, which is least bother. But in data, each and every data generated is very much important to predict something. So that's why this prediction, and that's why to fill the missing value. तो हम ये missing value कहाँ से fill करेंगे? तो बेसिकली यहाँ पे जनरल एज निकाल के हम ये कॉलम का मीन, मीडियन या मोड, अगर सम वैल्यूज आर रिपीटेड, बेसिकली अगर कोई वैल्यू मोड रिपीट हो रहा है तो हम उसको वही वैल्यू से फिल कर देंगे. अगर कुछ है तो हम मीन निकालेंगे, अगर कुछ नहीं है तो हम मीडियन यूज करके वी कैन फील दैट वैल्यू. सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस मीन, मीडियन, मोड जो फील्ड है वो यहाँ पे इम्पोर्टेंटली यूज होते हैं बेसिकली. Okay, so this was the basically the thing where we can predict the data. using this particular normal distribution. And what we can say, basic thing is about the analysis. So this normally distribution to finding out the probability and to collect all data, basically large kind of a data, that will be possible with the help of this with the help of this statistics. And basically whatever we are going to be learning for coming lectures, that will be help to predict using prediction is very much easy using the available data. Okay, now in excel also, now the excel has been too much modified, but ये इतना modified version है कि मुझे नहीं पता है, but excel has been too modified. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि prediction के लिए python ही language चाहिए. There are the thing where you can predict the normal distribution you can having with, अगर small data है तो every time you are not going to be supposed to do the program basically. अगर not small data है तो you can using the normal distribution in your particularly in excel file also. Okay, with the help of excel or with the help of excel formula we can predict the normal distribution file, and we can having basically in what we can say, execute the normal distribution. If I have the, I will show you definitely. So there will be the function called as a pehle we can insert the formula, and there will be the formula called as a norm dist into the search box, and then apply the norm dist formula, and you can pass the function argument, and then you can predict the value. Even we can having the finding out the z value, and we can able to draw the basically graph with the help of this, particularly using your excel formula. Okay, so this is what the basically this is what the normal dist formula. Okay, and एक्सेल का अगर मॉडिफाइड वर्जन भी आप लॉन्च करोगे तो वहाँ पे ये भी आता है, वी कैन हैविंग दैट analysis as well as we can finding arranging the limit basically. Okay, so this normal distribution formula we can having x जो data दिया है, mean क्या है, standard deviation if we are knowing, we can select the cumulative or your probability, and from that cumulative this is the CDF basically they are explaining. We can having the probability distribution function, and through that we can calculate the normal distribution with the help of this particularly excel formula. This is what we can plot the normal distribution with the help of excel also you can possible. जो formula है that is y is equal to 1 raised to sigma raised to 2 pi e raised to minus 2z square. जो z की value है that will be, you everyone knows, that is x minus mu divided by sigma. So they just replace that value with the z score. So this way your normal distribution can be possible with your bar graph as well as your histogram we can having, or we can various kinds of a graph जो correlated है, that with the help of this we can easily finding out your normal distribution. This is what the normal probability distribution function, and these are the points basically, minus point and positive points when we are plotting your mean, and from between that mean there are many points are already there, and this way we can you having your value of z score, and from that we can plot that particular normal distribution. जो मैंने आपको कल दिखाया था example normal distribution, the same way we can plot that normal distribution with your multivariate normal distribution also. But this is what the way we can easily predict using this formula and using your Python programming language. Okay, so this is all about your basically multivariate normal distribution. Once again, I'm going to explain you that particular example with the help of this Python programming with your univariate, bivariate, multivariate analysis. मतलब ये जो analysis है that you are going to be what we can say explain, and how we are going to be do the multivariate, bivariate and multivariate analysis. Okay. Now till we have learned basically your different normal functions about your Python. जो अब हम सीख रहे हैं, list, dictionary, your data structures, tuples, sets, and how to add elements, subtract element, logical operator, Boolean operator, This all we can learning nowadays. This is what our initial stage. Now next stage is what? We have to import this pandas library, we have to import this numpy library, we have this matplot library and seaborn library. You can implement these functions and these are the frameworks already available in your python. और आप खुद का भी अगर एक खुद का फ्रेमवर्क अच्छे से बना के एक एल्गोरिदम आप बनाओगे, then it will be you can write at import this as a variable, so it will be get automatically inserted into that particular accessible into your others program. Okay, so this is what basically जब भी आप कोई भी एक डेटा एनालिसिस करोगे, ये 4-5 लाइब्रेरी तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू बी रिक्वायर्ड for analyzing a CSV file. Okay, now this is what the basically data frame we are converted. Pandas library जो है that basically deals with your data frames. Now जो CSV file है, we can convert it into the data frames, and from that data frame we have to find out the head, tail. Okay, now I will show you. This is what the just generally first we will execute this. So this is what my first 5 value. Now suppose df dot tell. Okay, so it will be showing last 5 values. Okay, df dot shape means how many rows and how many columns are there. Okay, then df dot is null. Is null ही है. Is null dot is sum function है. हाँ. So this function shows you how many missing value basically. Okay. So this what इससे हमें पता चलता है, अगर हमने टाइटैनिक का प्रेडिक्शन लिया होता तो that will be how many columns and how many missing values in each column, that the actual count will be coming with the help of this. Okay. Then df is null dot sum shape. And these are the certain operations we can apply on data frames, and we can finding out what the basic things about this. Okay, one more function I'm not remembering, I will show you. Okay, so this way we can apply the function. जब हम pandas library सिखाएंगे तो I will definitely show all this. This is what the Sentosa univariate analysis, Sentosa basically. This is what the location, TF spaces Sentosa. This is what Virginica का हमने एक data frame लिया है, and we can created that data frame with NP 0 layers. So NP means what? NP is nothing but NumPy library का object है. Okay, zeros likes. So that NPy 0 like is basically we can having your written an array of zeros, the same shape and same type basically. So that's why this NumPy Python programming is NumPy NP zeros underscore like function is used. So that's why that function is written over there. And from that we can return your sepal length. Sepal length को हमने consider किया है with the help of with your petal length. And this with we can having the shape of that particular what we can say graph. जो हमारे points है वो हमारे O में आने वाले हैं. We can having bar graph के लिए क्या आता है? You can change the shape also. Okay, histogram. There are the certain notations. Through that you can change it. Now here dot point we are taking, we can take histogram, we can having bar chart, that we are going to be in your matplotlib, and this basically functions available in your matplotlib. That's why this plt as object has been created. Then bivariate analysis जो है, यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया है, एक सिंगल लेके वी कैन प्रेडिक्ट एज अ पेटल लेंथ लिया है हमने, जो लेबल है उसको हमें प्रेडिक्ट करना है कि पेटल लेंथ कैसा है हर एक स्पेसिस का बेसिकली with the help of your sepal. Then here we can having petal length with your sepal width. So we are predicting how much points basically we can having, how much data is, sometimes there are the same dimensions so that we get overlap in case of your versicolor and virginica things, but your species centonica is basically different from all two berries. This we can say from this particularly graph. So ये दो वेरिएट कंसिडर करके how we are going to predict, and in multivariate we can comparing sepal length, sepal width, petal width with the each and every element, then we are going to predict. Now this is what particularly how the overlapping, but every time you can see this the centosa जो species है वो कहाँ पे भी मैच नहीं हो रही है, and that cannot be particularly we can say it should be something different species. It should not be get overlapped with the other species like your versicolor and virginica. So from that conclusion we can say that there are the certain things which are similar when we are planting this versicolor or virginica, and these points are getting overlapped with each other. So this way you can say this graph, और ये graph आपको represent करना पड़ता है. This graph will comes whenever we are having the same parameter. Okay. अभी यहाँ पे सेपल लेंथ है और सेपल लेंथ को किया है, यहाँ पे सेपल विड्थ और सेपल विड्थ ही कंसिडर किया है. देन यहाँ पे पेटल विड्थ तो पेटल विड्थ, तो एट दैट टाइम दिस हिस्टोग्राम विल बी appear when we are having this particularly things. Okay, and this is it will be possible with SNS means your Seaborn library. Graphs presentation के लिए two different libraries है, one is Matplotlib and another is Seaborn library. Okay, so this way your analysis has been predicted basically in univariate, multivariate and bivariate. Okay, so remaining part we can see in a next lecture. Next lecture we are having your control distributions and its relation with regression analysis. Basically regression analysis is very much important. And can you have idea about the linear regressions and how the linear regression will be formed? Anyone knows regression classification?
मैम
Do
आप
you
इसका
have
कोई
any
इजी एग्जांपल दे सकते हो पाइथन के अंदर अभी लाइव?
कौन सा इसका?
मैम अभी जो ग्राफ्स पढ़े थे हमने
उसका इजी मतलब
बहुत
यही इजी एग्जांपल है बेसिकली,
मैम बहुत
सबसे
मैसी
इजी.
सा हुआ है।
मेसी मतलब कैसा है, देखो ये जो है ये सबसे इजी एग्जांपल है क्योंकि इसमें मिसिंग वैल्यूज नहीं है. ओके, बेसिकली इसमें जिसमें मिसिंग वैल्यू होती है उसमें ग्राफ्स बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंट आते हैं बेसिकली. और ये जो वैल्यूज है ये है, ये ग्राफ रिप्रेजेंट करना और उसको एक्सप्लेन करना इज योर स्किल कि जो पॉइंट्स है बेसिकली वो पॉइंट्स ओवरलैप है, तो वो ओवरलैपिंग हम कैसे रिमूव कर सकते हैं and what are the basically points. So this what your basically analytic skills है, this you are going to be, आपको कैसे कन्विंस करना है that depends on only you. Okay, अभी ये देखो सेपल लेंथ है और ये सेपल लेंथ है, बेसिकली ये दोनों पैरामीटर सेम सेम है, तो इसमें बेसिकली इट शुड बी प्लॉटिंग द ग्राफ एंड देयर इज द ओवरलैपिंग बेसिकली. बट जब भी हम ये ग्राफ देखते हैं यहाँ पे हमारा क्या है, सेपल लेंथ वर्सेस माय सेपल विड्थ है, शायद से सेपल विड्थ है, तो ये जो स्पेसिस है इट शुड नॉट बी हैविंग एनी ओवरलैपिंग पॉइंट, ये खुद के ऊपर ही ओवरलैप हो रहे हैं, बट ये एक दूसरे के इसमें ओवरलैप हो रहे हैं. सो दैट बेसिकली वी कैन प्रेडिक्ट दैट कि देयर आर द सर्टेन थिंग्स व्हिच वी आर गोइंग टू बी चेक. बट जो सेपल विड्थ में है, जो सेपल की विड्थ आ रही है, जो हमारा एक पर्टिकुलर फ्लावर है वर्सिकलर or virginica basically. So we have to what the properties that they can be assuming identically with the different things ऐसा है. Then we can having this. अभी यहाँ पे देखो पेटल जो है, पेटल सेपल और पेटल जो बोलते हैं, तो यहाँ पे this space
मैम
is
आपकी
completely
स्क्रीन विजिबल नहीं है।
okay. Sorry. Sorry. So this will be basically we can say there are the 2-3 overlapping है, मतलब ये जो points है जो overlap हो रहे हैं, that you are basically focusing and we should try to overhead जो है वो overhead हमें निकालने हैं basically, and there are the things where we can कैसे निकाल सकते हैं हम? सपोज अगर मुझे मेरा बिजनेस ग्रो करना है, लाइक द सिंपल एग्जांपल आई विल गिव यू, आप ये सब छोड़ो, अगर अब मैं आपको बताती हूँ, अगर देखो मैकडोनल्ड तो सबको पता है, ओके, एंड इन मैकडोनल्ड देयर आर द टू डिफरेंट लोकेशन मैकडोनल्ड, ओके, एक मैकडोनल्ड है जो बहुत ज्यादा चल रहा है, देयर आर द कंटिन्यूअसली क्राउड इज कमिंग, एंड वन मैकडोनल्ड की ऐसी माउथ पब्लिसिटी हुई है कि वो मैकडोनल्ड मतलब ऐसे प्लेस में भी नहीं है कि ऐसा क्राउडेड, जो मैकडोनल्ड कॉलेज के पास रहता है दैट विल बी एवरी टाइम क्राउडेड, बट वन मैकडोनल्ड इज सिचुएटेड ऐसी प्लेस पे सिचुएशन किया है कि जहाँ पे कोई आता जाता नहीं है बेसिकली, ओके। सो व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स बेसिकली, और हम समझे कि उसको एक सिटी के इंटीरियर में भी हमने प्लेस कर दिया, बट स्टिल हिज बिजनेस इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी रन फास्टली, तो उसका बिजनेस नहीं हो रहा है, बट एक मैकडोनल्ड का बहुत ज्यादा बिजनेस हो रहा है। तो आप बिजनेस हो रहा है क्यों हो रहा है? क्योंकि वो कॉलेज के पास है, क्योंकि उस कॉलेज में स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं, स्टूडेंट्स आर कमिंग, दे आर ईटिंग एंड दे वर दैट्स व्हाई, और वो कॉलेज का कैंपस भी बड़ा है, ऐसा आप समझ लो, ओके। एंड जो दूसरा मैकडोनल्ड है वो बेसिकली इंटीरियर ऑफ सिटी है, मॉल के अंदर है, बट बेसिकली वी कैन से कि वो मटेरियल वहाँ पे लोग ही नहीं आ रहे, क्यों नहीं आ रहे? व्हाट आर द रीजंस? बेसिकली द रीजन इज लोकेशन, रीजन इज फूड क्वालिटी, रीजन इज बिकॉज people are not liking the interior, because the people mind said that no, this particular branch is very good, this particular branch is not good. वो रहता है ना कि जब भी हम कुछ शॉपिंग करने के लिए जाते हैं तो वी सेड नो, दिस मॉल इज वेरी गुड, दिस मॉल इज नॉट गुड, so this was the certain particularly points you should consider, and this what you should analyze all those things, and then you have to predict, okay? The same way your house price prediction जो बोला मैंने, like you can consider there are the जैसे आप stations के दूर 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 चले जाते हैं, your flat के rates जो है वो कम होने जाते हैं, because what, the every time the ad comes in your newspaper and the main point is highlighted, this particular location is nearer to 15 minutes from Thane station, 20 minutes from Kharghar station. Why? Because they should be, भले वो 15 minutes ना हो ना 20 minutes हो basically, but we should be just publicity purpose they were just writing to 15 minutes 20 minutes, इसमें उन्होंने ट्रैफिक ना कंसीडर किया होता, but for the attracting customer they were just writing that kind of thing, but actual में those who are living in Mumbai they will know कि किस कहाँ से कहाँ तक पहुँचने में कितना टाइम लगता है. So this what the predicting house prices from the location wise and to collect the data, एंड दैट्स व्हाट द बिगेस्ट टास्क इज. मैं आपको ना नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में एक प्रोजेक्ट दिखाती हूँ डेटा साइंस का, मेरे पास है बनाया हुआ, and from that basically we have to run the project and I will definitely showing you how the basically values are going to be predicted. Or you can एयर क्वालिटी इंडेक्स करके एक मैं खुद प्रोजेक्ट कर रही हूँ, वो एक प्रोजेक्ट टाइटैनिक का प्रोजेक्ट है मेरे पास, तो मैं आपको वो दिखाऊंगी एंड देन यू विल गो टू नो हाउ दिस बेसिकली मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशंस आर गोइंग टू बी. Okay, so this is what the just one general example about all the predictions and all about your analytics skills. Okay, तो ये सब बेसिकली एक स्किल्स है, आपको प्रोग्रामिंग भी करना है, बट आपको ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंट्स करके आपको ये सब करना है, बट आपको जो डेटा मिलना है वो डेटा अगर प्रॉपर हो तो आपका जो वेरिएंस है जो हमने सीखा है, मीन है, मीडियन है, मोड है, पॉपुलेशन है, सैंपल है, रैंडम वेरिएबल है, ये सब जो टर्मिनोलॉजीज, प्रोबेबिलिटी है, ये सब हमें behind the backend we are required all those things, and that's why this stat as well as your programming skill जब भी combine होते हैं then your data science field will be get very much popular. और इसमें हम खाली डेटा ही कंसिडर कर रहे हैं. इन योर डीप लर्निंग वी कैन हैविंग पिक्चराइजेशन, पिक्चर्स लेके भी प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हैं, वीडियोज एज वेल एज यू कैन हैव योर बेसिकली द थिंग्स टेक्सचुअल डेटा, मतलब जो सेंटीमेंट एनालिसिस बोलते हैं, बेसिकली जो डेटा आपके ट्विटर्स के ट्वीट्स होते हैं वो भी एक डेटा होता है बेसिकली. आई विल शो यू दैट आल्सो, वेट आई विल शेयर माय स्क्रीन. हैकाथॉन पे ही चलते, हम एनालिटिक्स विद्या पे ही चलते. Got identify sentiments. और आप जो ये करते हैं ना वॉइस रिकग्निशन, आपके जो स्पीच रिकग्निशन, गूगल का ये अलेक्सा वगैरह, ये सब बेसिकली आपके एआई का कमाल है बेसिकली टेस्टिंग। दिस इज व्हाट माय टेक्सचुअल डेटा। अभी ये देखो, ये ऐसे ऐसे कमेंट है जो आप पढ़ना भी नहीं चाहोगे, बट दिस इज व्हाट माय हैकाथॉन डेटा। अभी इसमें कितने हैशटैग, कितने अनवांटेड सिंबल है, और ये डेटा से मुझे प्रेडिक्ट करना है। क्या प्रेडिक्ट करना है, कहाँ है यहाँ पे, ये देखो। इसमें क्या है, आइडेंटिफाई द सेंटिमेंट्स, मतलब सेंटिमेंट एनालिसिस हमें करना है, जिसमें हमने ये सब डेटा ट्विटर से डाउनलोड किया है, एंड फ्रॉम दैट वी शुड प्रेडिक्ट ये कौन से तरह के सेंटिमेंट्स। दिस वाज वन ऑफ द आल्सो कॉल्ड एज द प्रेडिक्शन बेसिकली। So this way we can deal with lots of numerical data, textual data, your picture, images, and for that the backend logic will be required is your statistics. Okay. We'll take the attendance. Wait for. One more thing, I have downloaded multivariate analysis book. I will upload it on both the group. You just go through that, and I will upload all the recordings on your same three group where the channel has been created about your CS basically. Okay. So Pune student, you can easily access that basically. और आपको कुछ access नहीं हो रहा है तो आप मुझे बताओ. Okay. And yesterday, who has messaged me about this particularly? One person who wants the recording, I will upload it now. Attendance दे दो अविराज.
Present, ma'am.
Sheryl 2, 3,
Present, ma'am. Present.
3, 3, Omkar. Komal.
Present, ma'am.
4, 5, 5,
Present, ma'am.
6.
Present, ma'am.
फटाफट attendance. 6, 7,
Present, ma'am.
8,
Present, ma'am.
9,
Present, ma'am.
10,
Present, ma'am.
11,
Present, ma'am.
12,
Present, ma'am.
13,
Present, ma'am.
14,
Present, ma'am.
15, 16,
Present, ma'am.
17,
Present, ma'am.
18,
Present, ma'am.
18, 19, 18,
Present, ma'am.
18, 9. ओके ओके, पार्थ हो गया.
19 present, ma'am. Parth.
पार्थ, हाँ 19. इशिता.
Present, ma'am.
शोभन.
Present, ma'am.
21.
21 is
Present, ma'am.
me.
21 नहीं है.
21, ma'am.
Present,
21
ma'am.
is me.
ओके, हाँ तेच. 22.
Present, ma'am.
ओके. 23.
Ma'am, 22 is
Kanika.
me, Sushant. Present, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. No, sorry. 24.
Present,
Kanika.
ma'am.
25. 26.
Present, ma'am. 26.
27. 27. 20, Manas. 28.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 29.
Present, ma'am.
30.
Present, ma'am.
31.
31 present, ma'am.
32.
Present, ma'am.
33,
Present, ma'am.
34, 35,
Present, ma'am.
36, 36, 37,
Present, ma'am.
Pranil, 38,
Yes, ma'am.
39,
Present, ma'am.
80, 39, sorry, 80, 40. Aryan is not there every time. 41, Om,
Present, ma'am.
42,
Present, ma'am.
43,
Present, ma'am.
44, हाँ बोलो
42 present.
कौन गिरीश
हाँ.
सॉरी लगाया नहीं क्या ओके 40 44
Present, ma'am.
45
Present, ma'am.
46 47 अम्बेश is there.
Present, ma'am.
देखा मैंने अम्बेश any other students can leave, only direct seconders should stay in meeting. We will definitely add your number in the attendance list, so just only direct second year can stay here, 5 to 6 people, others can leave the meeting.
I'm
Thank
recording.
you everyone. हाँ
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you everyone.
Thank you.